If you're looking for your next flip, let me tell you why it should be a mobile home. I know what you're thinking. Aren't mobile homes just cheap trailers that don't appreciate? That's the old school mindset, and it's costing investors big money. The truth is, mobile home flipping is one of the most overlooked and profitable strategies in today's real estate market. I'm Joe Holmes, broker, investor, and mentor with over 40 years of experience in this game, and I'm here to break down why flipping mobile homes can be one of the smartest moves you make. Lower purchase prices and higher margins. The number one reason mobile homes make great flips: low acquisition costs. You can pick up a mobile home for a fraction of the price of traditional houses. Lower entry costs means less capital risk and higher potential ROI. Even in competitive markets, mobile homes remain one of the most affordable real estate investments. This means you can do more deals, scale faster, and see a quicker return on investment. Fast turnaround and quick profits. One of the biggest headaches in traditional flips is the long timelines, months of permits, inspections, and contractors. Mobile homes, faster flips, faster paydays. Fewer structural issues means renovations are quicker and cheaper. Many mobile homes don't require the same lengthy permitting process. You can transform a mobile home in a matter of weeks, not months. Less downtime means more profitable cycles in a year, and that's now your scale for flipping business fast. Huge demand with affordable housing crisis. The housing affordability crisis is real, and mobile homes are one of the best solutions. Demand for affordable homes has skyrocketed, creating a steady buyer pool. Mobile homes offer buyers a way to own instead of rent, making them highly attractive. Most people are priced out of traditional housing markets, but mobile homes remain within reach. Flipping mobile homes means you're meeting a real demand in the market while making a solid profit. Easier renovations, fewer surprises. Anyone who's ever flipped a home knows that the nightmare of unexpected issues, foundation cracks, electrical rewiring, plumbing disasters. Mobile homes, much simpler to renovate. Standardized layouts make remodeling more predictable. No major foundations or structural concerns like with traditional homes. Renovations focus on cosmetic updates, making the process smooth and cost-effective. This keeps your renovation budget under control and your stress levels low. Less competition, more opportunity. Here's a big secret. Most investors overlook mobile homes. Traditional house flippers ignore them, thinking they're not profitable. Big institutional investors don't touch them. That leaves a massive opportunity for savvy investors who see the potential. With less competition, you're not battling 10 other offers on every deal. You can negotiate better prices and increase your profit margins. Creative financing and lower holding costs. Unlike traditional houses, mobile homes offer unique financing and holding advantages. Many deals can be done with seller financing, reducing the need for large upfront cash investments. Lower property taxes means cheaper holding costs while you flip. Some mobile homes are considered personal property, making transactions faster and smoother. Less overhead, fewer carrying costs, and flexible financing options makes mobile homes an even smarter investment. Some final thoughts. Flipping mobile homes isn't just a niche strategy. It's one of the best kept secrets in real estate investing. Low buy-in, high demand, fast turnaround, and huge profit potential. If you're serious about maximizing your flipping profits, it's time to rethink mobile homes. The market is wide open and opportunities is massive. So, are you ready to take advantage of one of the most overlooked opportunities in real estate? Let's talk about how you can get started today. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video so that other people can get informed. We'll see you on the next.